Hello, I was going to show you guys my winter village cottage that I just put together. It comes with 2 instruction manuals. It's set 10229 and it comes with all these parts. And some of the minifigures are in the house, so you'll see those when I turn them around. There's this little igloo that you build that's really cool with an owl on top, and the roof comes off. There's like a little stove in there, so that's cute. And then there's 2 little kids on skis. Then you've got a 3rd little kid, and he's got a sled, and he's really happy. But he can also be really sad. And he's got a ball and a bucket of snow. They use shovels for this sled, that's funny. And then there's a little wood shed, which has this guy too, the little dad, I think. He has a chainsaw and an axe, and he's gonna get ready to cut wood. And inside the wood shed there is some tools, and the roofs move like this. That's more light and you can see. Little window. And these are just in here like logs, and he can cut them and put them on the fire. Then you've got this snow plow truck. It has doors that open. Little guy in there driving it. This can move. It's pretty cool. The roof comes off, kinda. Maybe I don't want to do that. This is a cool truck. Then we've got the actual little cottage. It's got a front door with a wreath that opens. Got a little lamp post there with a bow on it. It has nice garland and decorations with bows. Got a fireplace here and a light brick. Let's show you the other side. Oh, and a string of lights up here. I really like those. The other side, more bows and decorations. And here's the inside. If you can see, when I push that, it lights up the fire. There's a Christmas tree in there, presents. And there's Grandpa. There's a light up here. Grandpa's sitting in his chair reading the newspaper. There's a cat. And Grandma's got some coffee or something. And then this is upstairs, the little kid's bedroom. There's a bed and some toys and a dresser. And then the kitchen. This is the mom, I guess. She has her little frying pan. She's gonna cook. Tilt this up so you can see in the kitchen. Grandma's gonna fall. There's the kitchen. You can see the door. There's some little cupboards. And a stove and a sink and some drawers. So that's the Winter Village Cottage. All the parts that go with it. The wood shed, the igloo, the truck, the kids, the dad with his chainsaw, gonna cut wood, and the kid with his sled. There's something missing. Me! Thanks for watching.